today?
I'm doing okay.
Awesome, awesome. I have a question for you.
What's that?
Do you sell vests there?
Like dress vests or?
Like this is urban trends, right?
Yes.
Do you sell like the puffy vests with the zippers?
Yeah, I have a few different styles here.
Like MC Hammer wear?
Like MC Hammer wear?
Yeah.
I think that's the style. Yeah, I have some that's sleeveless.
I mean,
zipper form.
How durable would you say these vests are?
How durable?
Are they made from Kevlar?
You have to check it out.
No, let me ask. Do they have pockets?
Yeah, they have pockets on the side.
Do you think these pockets are they fairly large?
Hold on a second. Let me check. What size you need?
I would say extra large probably.
No, actually, I only have a 3X in it.
3X? Oh, that'll work. That'll work okay. Now,
yeah, the pockets are pretty good.
The pockets are pretty good.
Yeah.
Would you say they would hold let's say a canister of Play-Doh?
Canister of Play-Doh?
Yeah. Maybe a couple of them.
Maybe like one in each pocket.
One, just only one?
Yeah, maybe like one in each pocket. Not like, you know.
Oh, that may work. That may work. Do they have any inside pockets?
Hold on a second. Let me check.
We're going to put it right in here.
Actually, yeah, it does have an inside pocket. Probably fit one. And it's also got another one on the front. Yeah, you could probably fit one more, maybe.
Excellent, excellent. Now, one more question for you.
Are you Jewish?
One more question. Is there any way? Is there enough room inside where I could maybe I don't know, hide some, like maybe say speaker wire?
Speaker wire?
Yes.
I don't know. It just depends. You have to come and take a look at it, bro.
Well, what time are you up until?
9 o'clock.
9 o'clock?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I'll be the guy dressed in all sand camo.
What?
In all sand camouflage.
Oh, okay. All right.
Okay? Okay, I need to be quick, though, because I need to make it to a bank.
Okay.
Thank you.